Is your Windows operating system reporting the NTMS Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. To start our troubleshooting for NTMS library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the NTMS library, the Removable Storage Manager NTMS API, a legacy unmanaged module used to facilitate the localized orchestration of localized tape drives and localized automated media localized libraries. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official system file checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure NTMS Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered NTMS library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A professional word of caution. Many domains offering standalone NTMS library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If NTMS library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. If this diagnostic helped you resolve NTMS library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.